Tired of losing pins every time you search a new spot? In this video, I'll show you the super simple trick to pin all your important locations on one map and keep them there. Now let's discuss how we can create a multiple location map on an Android phone. First, open the Google Maps application on your device. To create a multiple location map on the Google Maps application, you must sign into your Google account. I have already signed into my Google account. If you haven't, sign in first. Then, search for the location where you want to create your multiple location map. I want to create a multiple location map of Kathmandu, so let's search for Kathmandu. Suppose I want to see these 4 locations on the same screen. On this map, if I want to select a location like Patan Darbar Square, I long press on that location and a red pin appears. However, if I try to select another location such as Swayambhu Mahachaitya, the previous pin disappears. Here, we are unable to see multiple locations together on the same screen. So, we will use the Save option in Google Maps to create a multiple location map on Android. First, let's save the map location of Swayambhu Mahachaitya. Long press on that location and a red pin will appear. Here, we can see the Save option on the screen. Click on the Save option. Then click on Private List. You can write any name. For example, I'll write Kathmandu Multiple to denote this map. Then click on the Create option. Now you can see the first location has been added to the map. Press the back button and zoom out to see other locations. Next, let's add another location, Patan Darbar. Long press on that location, click on the Save option and tick the Kathmandu Multiple list. Then, click on the Done option. In the same way, let's add the remaining 2 locations. Let's add New Baneshwar location to the map. Then let's add Buddha Stupa to the map. Now we have saved all 4 locations on the Kathmandu multiple map. Press the back button and you will see the U option at the bottom of the screen. On some devices, you may see a Saved option, or you might need to go to Your Places and then to the Saved option in some devices. On my device, I'll click on the U option, where I can find the Kathmandu multiple map that we previously saved. Click on Kathmandu multiple and you will see all 4 locations that we saved. These 4 locations are denoted by round cyan colored pins. In this way, you can create a multiple location map on an Android phone. You can also share this map with anyone you want. If you have coordinates of multiple locations and want to visualize them on the same map, simply copy the coordinates and paste them into the search box of Google Maps. I use Google Lens to copy the coordinates. Let's copy the first coordinate and paste it into the Google Maps search box. Then click on Save. Let's create a new map and name it Survey. Then copy and paste all the coordinates and save them to the Survey map. Now you can see all the coordinates on the same map. Here, we have saved all 4 coordinates to the same map and can view all 4 locations on same screen. In this way, we can create a multiple location map by using multiple locations. This will be helpful to analyze boundaries of your map, prepare tour map, and view multiple locations at same time. If this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.